Unlimited. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your activity on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, access your account settings. You can do this by navigating to the LinkedIn website or opening the app on your device. Once you're there, look for the Me icon, which is typically your profile picture, positioned at the top of the screen. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Settings. Now let's navigate to the Security section. Look for the Sign In and Security area within the Settings menu. This section contains a variety of options to manage your account security. If you're looking to change your password as part of hiding your activity, here's how to initiate a password reset. Instead of selecting the Change Password option, find the link that says Forgot Password. Click on that to begin the process. Next, you will need to enter account details. A prompt will appear asking for the email address or phone number associated with your LinkedIn account. After entering that information, click the Next button to proceed. It's time to verify your identity. LinkedIn will send a verification code to the email address or phone number you've provided. Be sure to check your inbox or messages for this code. Once you have retrieved it, go back to the LinkedIn page, paste the code into the provided space, and click Submit. Now that you've verified your identity, you'll be directed to create a new password. This password should be strong and unique to ensure your account remains secure. Type in your new password, and don't forget to retype it in the confirmation box to make sure it matches. There's an optional security step you might want to consider. You can check the box to sign out of all other devices. This is a good measure if you want to ensure that no one else is currently logged into your account. To finalize the process, simply click Submit. This will complete your password reset, enhancing your security and helping you manage your LinkedIn activity more privately. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide your activity on LinkedIn by changing your password and securing your account. This not only protects your privacy, but gives you control over who can see your professional interactions on this platform. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Happy networking on LinkedIn.